Hello everyone. Today we are going to do question number 15th of your textbook. Here is the question. From the given below trial balance of Suresh Youth Club, prepare an income expenditure account and a balance sheet as of that day. Here we have to prepare only income expenditure account. Here trial balance is given. Here is the remaining part of trial balance. And with that, 6 adjustments are given. First one is regarding subscription. Then second is related to color work expense. Third one is unpaid stationery is given. Then fourth one is about depreciation. Then fifth is we have to treat donation as revenue income here. Then sixth is prepaid insurance is of rupees 200. So let us see how income expenditure account will be prepared. Here it is. So in the question, here first item is about color work expense, and here in the adjustment it is given that 2/3 color work expense is to be carried forward to next year. That is 2/3 of 9,000, that comes to 6,000, which is prepaid for next year. As this is of not current year, so we will deduct it. By deducting it, we will get having deducted that, we will get 3,000. Then next is stationery and printing. In adjustment number third, it is given that unused stationery is of rupees 100. That is closing stock of stationery, which is it is unused, so we will deduct it. So here our stationery expense is 1,900 after deducting closing stock from 2,000. Then we have capital fund. It will not be recorded here. It will be recorded in balance sheet. Then donation received is given. Here we have been given information number fifth, that is consider amount of donation as revenue expense. So here we have to treat it as revenue expense, so it will be recorded in income expenditure account. On income side, here it is, donation received amount is 2,000. Then we have cash balance. Cash balance will not be recorded here. It is current asset. It will be recorded in balance sheet. Then bank overdraft is our liability. It will not be disclosed in income expenditure account. Then 12% loan is given. That is 15,000. It will also not be recorded. It is a liability. Then we have furniture. Furniture is an asset, so we will not disclose it here, but depreciation on furniture will be disclosed in expense column of income expenditure account, and that is 10%. So 10% of DAP on furniture is rupees 800. That is we have furniture of rupees 8,000, and 10% of 8,000, that comes to 800. Then depreciation on building will be disclosed. Amount of building is 35,000, and 10% of 35,000 is 3,500. Now next is lifetime subscription. Lifetime subscription is an income of capital nature. It will not be disclosed here. Then tax insurance is given. Here it will be disclosed in expense column, tax and insurance. Here it is, amount is 2,500, and we have related adjustment regarding this. Adjustment number 6, prepaid insurance is of rupees 200. So as it is prepaid, so we will deduct it from 2,500. We will get 2,300. Then we have honorarium to secretary. Honorarium to secretary is also an expense of revenue nature, so we will disclose it here in expense column. Amount is 6,000. Then entrance fees is there. Here no instruction is given regarding entrance fees, so we have already studied that in the absence of any instruction regarding entrance fees, we have to consider it as revenue income. So here we will record it in income side. Amount is 6,000. Now next is Sports equipment. Equipment is an asset. It will not be disclosed here. Then, but here we have to disclose depreciation on of sports equipment. That would be 1,000, as the amount of sports equipment is 10,000 and 10% of 10,000 is 1,000. Now, salary and wages is given. Salary and wages is an expense of revenue nature, so it will be disclosed here. Amount is 9,000. Then legal, then we have been given subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance is a liability, so it will not be disclosed here. Then we have salary and wages that we have recorded. Here it is 9,000. Then we have outstanding salary. If outstanding salary is given in trial balance, so in that case it will appear on liability side, that is current liability. So here in income expenditure account it will not be recorded. Now legal expense is given. Legal expense is also of revenue nature, so we will disclose it here in expense column. Amount is 600. Then subscription is given, which is income of revenue nature, so we will disclose it in income column. Here it is 25,000. We will write it in inner column as we have related adjustment regarding this. Here first adjustment is given, that is subscription outstanding 2,000 for the year 2014-15. That means current year subscription is outstanding, that is 2,000. So we will disclose it. We will add it to 25,000. In outer column we will get 27,000. Then we are given interest on loan, that is 900. 900 is recorded. It is disclosed in trial balance. But in trial balance, 12% load is also given, which was taken on 1st April 2014. That means here, if we calculate 12% interest for entire year on 15,000, we will get 1,800. Total interest on loan is 1,800, and here it is recorded that only 900 is recorded as interest on loan. So that means remaining 900 is outstanding interest on loan, which will be disclosed like this. Here 12% of 15,000, that comes to 1,800, which will be written in outer column, and interest on loan which is recorded, which is given in trial balance, that is 900, which will be written in inner column, and remaining amount, that is 1,800 minus 900, that comes to 900. That means it is outstanding interest on loan, that is it is yet to be paid. Then we have electricity expense. Electricity expense is also an expense of revenue nature, so we will disclose it in expense column. Then electric fitting is given. Electric fitting is an asset. It will not be disclosed here. Then lockers rent is given. Lockers rent is an income of revenue nature, so we will disclose it in income column. Now if we add it, we will get 36,000. As here we can see that total of income column is more, which is 36,000, which will be written on both the sides. And if we deduct total amount of expense, we will get 5,100 difference, which will appear on expense side, which will be called as excess of income over expenses. So in this way we will do this. So I hope it is clear to you all. That's all for today. Thank you.